All right, we're in the winter season, and what happens is you get those requests for zipper hoodies, and they're zipper hoodies, quarter zips, polos. Those can all be challenging if you don't have the right boards for it. And this is on the cheap. This is 3/4 inch plywood. It's cabinet grade. I cut a 2.5 inch channel down it. So the set I have is on my other press. It is a 3 inch channel. I do some quarter zips that have a lot more fabric to them. And the left chest is still, you're plenty of room for that. And it's about half the depth of the plywood is what I run. I do the same thing for doing hoodies. I've got a set that has the bottom surface missing. And then I have a set of just polos that I think it's 6 inches down, maybe 7 inches, where I do a left chest and a body print. So I have different sets of boards like that. If you're using a bracket, there's your bracket. You do have some bite area for the bracket. You are missing surface area in the middle. You're missing some strength in it. You might get some warpage in that, but it could work for you. You should give it a try. It's super. These are, you can buy a sheet of plywood, make it the size you want. These are 14.5 by 19. They work perfect for what I do. I mount everything to a base plate I have, and these base plates keep this flat and solid. And my registration, I have no registration issues. And but I wanted you to see that you can just locally make this. Go buy you a sheet of plywood, cut it up, and give it a shot. And this works perfect. If you mess one up, they're super cheap to get another one. So thanks for watching, and hopefully this was helpful.